Hello everyone, it's Joy and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and the market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, steel prices saw fluctuations with uncertain international policies and economics. Now, let's break it down and look into more details. When it comes to the demand side, the situation remains rather bleak. The latest data from the NBS reveals that from January to September, fixed asset investment in China grew by a mere 3%, and the growth rate continued to decline. Notably, investment in property development dropped by 9%, with the descent accelerating as well. Meanwhile, some steel mills have started production cuts, but the reduction in supply has been limited, not quite living up to market expectations. On the flip side, iron ore has taken a surprising turn, exceeding $120 per ton. What gave it the push? Answer is the positive PMI and export data for September. Therefore, combining all factors with strong raw material performance and the persistently weak demand, steel prices have maintained their fluctuations, with market participants being cautious. Next, let's look at some key statistics. This week, apparent steel demand in China grew by nearly 400,000 tons, while total steel inventories dropped even more and the steel production declined as well. Despite the increase in demand and the positive change in supply, the persistent weak demand remains kept pricing from going up. So what's our take looking ahead? We reckon that China's steel market will continue with its tug-of-war between high cost and the weak demand in the short term. In other words, we are not expecting any major price surge or dramatic plummet. On the bright side, there's still a silver lining. Downstream industries like manufacturing and steel exports alleviate the drag on demand to a certain degree. However, on the flip side, with China's ongoing economic slowdown, the resilience of the US dollar, and the Fed's plans to keep interest rates high, market players find it more difficult to hold a positive attitude. Well, what's your anticipation for the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye!